Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Benford's Life. My name is Cece, and today I'm back with another grocery haul. I'm out of breath. This is just a mini haul for next week, when the kids go back to school. I did Walmart pickup, and I just planned out a couple of meals for next week and things to add to the kids' lunch, because I do lunch videos, lunch ideas, so you can check those out. I'll leave a link up, a little iCard. You can click up there and check out our lunch idea videos. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what a little mini Walmart, and I got a couple things from Kroger. And I just kind of got it thrown up here because the kids want lunch. So I'm just going to run through what we got. It's not even a lot of stuff, but these sweet potatoes, I was watching someone's YouTube video, and if I'm not mistaken, it is, I think her name is Mrs. to Miss, and I think she said her husband liked these. And I was watching her grocery haul, and I tried these. These are so good. So yes, if you guys like sweet potato fries, try these out. I got these from Walmart. So we're gonna have those with something, and I just kind of like eat these as a snack my lunch break because they're just so good. My daughter actually puts butter, cinnamon, and sugar on there, and she likes it that way. And I got some broccoli because, well, this is a rather big bag of broccoli, but we go through it a lot because I fix it with a lot of dishes. And we just got these cinnamon toast Eggos. I picked up a green pepper to go with one of my meals. Let's see, I have some shrimp. So I'm going to be making ground turkey and shrimp with cheese and rotel in the green pepper. I try to remember everything that went in there, so hopefully I got everything. But yeah, so that's for a meal. And I picked up these kiwis, which I think I got the wrong ones, but we're going to try these. And I picked up some oil. For lunch, we're about to have the spinach and cheese with some spaghetti sauce, the 4-cheese spaghetti sauce. My son picked these up when we were there. Fall cakes. All the fall stuff is out now. I needed some more syrup, so we have that. And I picked up a box of the Capri Sun and some Minute Maid juice. I should have had this better organized, but I have 2 cans of this cream of chicken and then 2 cans of the chicken broth because I'm going to be doing a crock pot dump meal. And I found the mayonnaise for my daughter Damara because she's having this issue with being allergic to eggs and anything that has eggs in it, and she started eating dry sandwiches. So this was at Kroger's, and it doesn't have any egg in it. I picked up these tomatoes, grape tomatoes for a pasta, and I got the jasmine rice. We have some more eggs. I needed more sugar. I got some chicken breast, sausage, some ground beef, and I picked up a box of sweet and salty snacks and some stovetop stuffing, which this goes with the crock pot dump meal. And I picked up some tortillas because that goes with the shrimps and ground turkey. And yeah, so that, and I picked up some water and some ginger ale as well. So yeah, so that is my mini grocery haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our uploads, and the notification bell as well. And please give this video a thumbs up because they're free and it helps our channel out. See you guys later.